Alright, what's up everyone? So, thank you for gardening with me. I'm just going to review real quick what we planted. So one stacky's Hummelo, so now I have a total of 6 over here. I know that will bother some of you all with even numbers, but it'll work. I also planted something I'm very excited about, a new rose. This is Kong Meng. I am confused on how big he gets, because one website says like 5 feet, another says 3. So we'll split the difference and say 4. Right behind Kong, I planted 2 Shasta daisies. I think that'll be a great combination. Once they're all in bloom, we'll have this lavender blue with the white, and then with the purple over here. Let's go to the other bed. Actually, y'all, let's look at the mailbox bed. I am loving this bed. Like, look at these forget-me-nots that have been in blooms for weeks. Y'all, I did not know about these. Nobody told me. Y'all forgot. But this bed just looks so mature and lush. These geraniums I grew from a bare root. Look at that. Okay, plant cat. But these geraniums I grew from a bare root. This is like year number 4 for them, I think. They really are coming into their own, and they look great next to those autumn frost hostas. Y'all remember the geraniums? I mean the hydrangeas that we planted. They are looking nice. Okay, and what we planted up here by the porch and the Windermere Rose and the Mr. Akuba is the Fall in Love Sweetly Japanese Anemone. Full to part sun 20, whoop, camera is tilting. Full to part sun 20 to 26 inches tall and 30 inches wide. So I just popped 3 of them in here. Even though I wanted something that bloomed earlier in the summer, because the Candy Tuft is spring, so this will be late summer. Something still is missing in this bed, because the only thing we got is the Windermere for color. Or we could just appreciate this Japanese maple, which I have no idea the variety, because it was here when I got here. The only thing that was here when I got here. Alright, you all, so I don't know how much more I'm going to plant today, but I do want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Remember to tend to your garden, and it will bless you. Grow with me, and we'll see you later.